AI video analysis technology is revolutionizing safety management on construction sites. Through advanced real-time AI video analysis, the system can monitor everywhere on-site 24/7 without interruption. Unlike traditional bare eyes monitoring, AI is unaffected by fatigue, emotions, or distractions. It is stable, consistent, and can simultaneously process multiple video streams. This greatly improves the efficiency of safety management. AI can accurately identify a variety of potential hazards, such as automatically detecting workers without wearing safety helmets and identifying unauthorized intrusions into restricted areas. Once violations or dangerous conditions are detected, the system immediately sends out alert signals for human intervention and control measurement. To build a robust safety system for your construction site, contact us to know how AI video analysis can help you enhance safety standards on your construction sites.